In this video, we'll convert an Excel workbook into a JSON file using Python and the Spire.XLS library. JSON is the standard format for APIs and data pipelines. Exporting spreadsheets by hand is slow and fragile, while a short script handles the whole job reliably. The workflow is simple. Load the Excel workbook, then save it directly to a JSON file. First, install Spire.XLS for Python with a single pip command. Create a workbook object, load the input Excel file, and call Save to File with the JSON file format to export the data. Here you can see the original worksheet alongside the JSON output. All the rows and columns map neatly into structured data. Beyond the basic conversion, you can export a single worksheet by copying it into a new workbook, or select a specific cell range and convert just that subset to JSON. That's all you need to start converting Excel workbooks to JSON with Python. Install Spire.XLS and make your spreadsheet data ready for any application.